Hi everybody, welcome back. This video is a side video of this Subaru that I'm doing an AC compressor job on. Thing was leaking everywhere. I had to end up replacing the radiator because I can't get the bolts that bolt the condenser to it out. Make it a mess. Anyway, what I'm doing here while I'm waiting on a new radiator and a condenser to show up is I'm gonna pull this crusty garbage, very junk and neglected battery out of here, and I'm gonna clean all this stuff up. Like I said, this is gonna be a side video to my already existing project, but I figured I'd include this one as well, but I didn't want to stick it in with the main video. So first thing I'm gonna do is pull this bracket off of here, clean it up, get the connectors off, clean those up, get this old piece of junk out, swap it in with a new one, and make it all look super brand newish and nice and shiny. That being said, let's get to it. Why do I need penetrating lubrication for a battery? Because it's from New York. Okay, time to escalate. Oh, that was loud and it hurt. I think that damaged my soul. Reverse click. Gross. Nasty. It's all slimy-ish. Uh-oh. Come off! Escalation. Yes, I know. Comments. You can't do that. Oh, that's bad. This is so bad. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. There we're going. And that too. Clean all this debris out. There we go. All right, let's see if this stuff's gonna clean up and just how clean it's gonna get. Wrong way. Loud car. Beautiful. And there's one more. There it is. It's that last lurking cable. Okay. Okay, this plastic thing is in my way of legendary terminal cleaning procedures, so we're gonna remove that. No, I'm not. It's integrated. Okay. Wrong. Again. Come out. Oh, that's gorgeous in there. Look at that. I'm gonna hit this with some chemical cleaner, let this soak in, and then I'll wash that off. And if need be, I'll do a second application. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, I think, maybe 4. The foaming action has subsided, so let's rinse the rest of this off. especially the overspray. Ooh, this came out nice and shiny. Wiping down. There. I cleaned up the battery tray also. Okay, so I got the battery hold down clamp thing cleaned up some using the same type of chemical and some water, and I hit it with a hammer a couple times to break off the chunks of corrosion. You may think this is good, but not for today. Today I'm going for ultimate legendary battery terminal service cleaning status. With that being said, there's only one possible way to improve the condition of this unit, and that will be to improve it cosmetically. Now we've reached legendary status. And you might think, slow day, Ray? And you would be correct in that assumption. There we go. Now it's nice and shiny. All right, let's let that dry. By the time that's done, my battery should show up. Alrighty, it's the next day, and I have a new battery. It was delivered after I left last night. Oh, that's stuck. There we go. Move that over here. Okay. Since I didn't have a replacement battery, I had the time to clean this hold down up and get it painted. It's not perfect, it's not restoration quality, but it's also not crusty junk. Wow, I'm kind of dumb today. I've been walking around for like 15 minutes looking for a tool. It's the little impact driver version of the rigid set, and it didn't occur to me that it's in here. Yeah, it's one of those days. Well, no, it's not. It's starting off as one of those days, but I'm going to will this into a different reality. I don't feel like experiencing a disheveled and confused day today, because it's Friday. Oh, no you don't. I painted the threads and screwed it all up. Yeah. Fit in one more rod. No, there it is. Yeah. Click. Give it back. Wow, this is nice. This is so much better than that crap pile that it showed up with. Click. Very nice. I like it. You know, there's not much about this job that is intensely gratifying anymore. But for some reason, something like this just hits the spot. There, that should prevent corrosion at least until the warranty expires. Evil. New shapes and colors. Yeah, that way. Dawn. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this little side video that's running tangent to the main video for the compressor job. If you missed the main video, take a look down below in the video description and in the pinned comment, and it will send you over there to a link. And you know what, while we're at it, I'll also put a link up above in one of these two corners that will also take you there. So you got like 3 ways to go over there to the primary video of this car. So there's really no excuse that you should miss this video whatsoever. That being said, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this itty bitty little video. Certainly hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please communicate that to me very effectively by tapping that thumbs up button. If you wish to reinforce your tappy tap, please do so verbally in the comment section down below. That being said, thank you guys for watching. And most importantly, don't forget, have yourselves a great day. See you guys later. Before, after, before, after. I win.